Well, welcome back. Like I said in my first video when I started this trading accountability videoing, I am also a mother of two young kids, 6 and 11-year-old girls. So getting to the videotape sometimes is not on my highest priority list. It is a priority, but not on the top two. But anyway, so I'm doing this is now Friday, May 8th. I'm going to recap my week. It was an okay week. I did not hit my goal of $1,000 a week. I'm still have that in my future. I hit probably about 250 this week, $250 this week. But whatever, at least it wasn't a down week. So this the one video I did do in an active trade was this British pound short off a 5 minute level. Again, this is the zone right here at 1, 2, 3, 4. I got in at 4, 5, all the way up to here. So this area here was the area I was looking to get short. I got this area because on a 30-minute, again, I go in increments of 4, 5, or 6. So if my zone area is a 5 minute, I'd go to the 30 minute. And as a trend trader, at this point, I had a higher high, a higher low, a lower low, and a lower low. So my trend was down. That gave me permission to enter this trade. So going back to that 5 minute, and it might take me a while to get there. So let's scroll back right here. My RSI when I was entering into the trade right here, as you can see, was above 60. That to me, it was 73.8. That to me should have been my warning sign not to take the trade. However, I pursued to take the trade because I had it as a set and forget. So I got in the trade right at this candle right here, the 1055 candle. And as you can see, one of my rules on a 5 minute chart or on any chart when I enter a trade is 6 candles. If it does not move from my area, I need to exit the trade. So here at this 1055 candle, I got in and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at 11:20, I exited the trade with a loss. I think my loss was probably about $100. Now, the RSI was high. That should have been my indicator not to get in. Like I said, I did set it up and forget it. So it did enter me in, and if I did not move after that 6 candle roll, as you can see, I would have got stopped anyways because my stop was above this pivot, and it continued to do nothing. So that was the British pound trade that I took on. I believe it was, what day is this? The 7th, which was Thursday. So that was yesterday. My next trade, let's go to natural gas here. This is what I did for today. Actually, you know what? Let's run to the Russell. I did the Russell. Here it is. On Wednesday. So this was a very nice trade that worked out. So I was looking at the 5 minute area here at 1274.50 up to 1281. Okay, now this is off a 5 minute chart. This is also within the first 15-minute candle. Here's the top of the opening, and I believe here this would have been here. So this was the bottom of the candle. So within the first 15-minute range, the top and the bottom. This again is a rally base drop, strong move away. As you can see, 2 candles with this candle is inside this one. So this is your leg in, your base, and your leg out, and strong move away. On a 15-minute chart or a 30-minute chart, since that was my trend, it was in a downward trend. Let's bring it over again. This was Wednesday, so let's back up right here, right? Yes. So Wednesday, my trend was down. The first candle almost broke the high, but did not. It's still reacting off of this, and we had a stronger move down. Gave me permission for my 5 minute area. Let's scroll back here a little bit. Where are we? Sorry, 7th at the Thursday. Right here. So I entered the trade. Let me tell you, I'm sweating a little bit of buckets because these high indexes here, the Russell, the Nasdaq, the S&P, the Dow, they move fast. The volatility is crazy. I entered in, the RSI was not above 60, which gives me a little bit more reassurance. Still sweating buckets, I'm telling you. This is about a $400 loss, and to me, I do not like to take that big of a loss. However, seize the opportunity, right? So I got in and I wrote it down right down to here. This the blue line was my target because here you can see a drop base rally. Yes, this is inside a tested zone already, but I'm being conservative. This here was a nice move away, nice profit for me, which kind of made up my week. Maybe I should have shut my computer down after that. However, I did not. And as you can see, this area worked several other times. So you got 1, 2, 3, and then the farther move away. 5-minute areas do work, people, as long as you have the other factors into play. Now let's head over to natural gas. Natural gas is this morning. This did stop me out. I'm trying to do the momentum play and maybe got in a little bit too soon. As you can see right here, my 5-minute area. I chose this area. As you can see, we have this red candle right here at 8:05. The drop, the base, and the drop. I have one move away and a slight other move away. Now, since this just popped up like this, that could have been an indicator. However, my RSI was still below 40. That gave me permission to enter this trade. On the 30-minute time frame, I'll bring that up and you can see that we are in a strong downtrend. Yes, we're near the bottom of this trend, but we are in a strong downtrend. That gave me permission again to try to enter into this trade. So going back to the 5-minute, let's go through this trade. Entered in with RSI below 40, which was great. Moved in, and as you can see, it was like a no thank you. So this here from 46 to 53, $100 a point. That is just under $100, right? 46, yeah, that was an $80 loss. No, actually no, because I had my stop up here. So it was almost a $200 loss. I wanted to put my stop above the pivot to give this some time to work. Maybe I should have stuck to my 3 ticks above the 53. Anyways, whatever. No, I would not have changed anything different in that trade. Maybe this higher level will come and hit at some point. Maybe Sunday night, we'll see. The next trade I had going on was here, the euro. Excuse me. Again, maybe this one was a stop out as well. So here is my level right here in a 5-minute chart. Again, if I go to the 30, which was my trend for today, oh, maybe I was a little premature. As you can see, we have a higher high, higher high. We're a little sideways, and I'm getting in at the bottom. So yeah, maybe I should have double checked on that. I saw, no, actually I saw 1, 1, 1. So higher low, lower low, lower low, higher low. Yeah, I didn't have my other higher high. So jumped in a little premature, so that was my problem there. So going back to the 5 minutes, let's take a look at this. As you can see, when I got in, the RSI was below 40. Below 60, which gives me permission to enter a short. It's at 52.84. However, it kind of just blew right through it. That there was, I think, $100 loss as well. So, I lost about 600, and like I said, I made about 800 on that Russell. So $200 week, I see some errors I would have done. Maybe this EC trade I maybe shouldn't have done if I checked all my boxes. But the other 2 trades I probably would have stuck to. And losses are part of the games, and you're going to lose more than you're going to win. So making sure that those wins are at least a 3-1 in my book is highly important. Until next time, guys, stay safe, trade safe, keep well, enjoy the sunshine. Bye-bye.